In the bustling realm of modern technology, a new frontier beckoned, the serverless architecture. Among its multifaceted wonders lay the AWS Serverless application. Unlike traditional server-bound solutions, this concept thrived on flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness, breaking the conventional chains of server maintenance. The essence of AWS Serverless lied in its remarkable ability to streamline the deployment process. Developers stepped into the arena, their tools redefined. No longer shackled to a static server infrastructure, they wielded Lambda functions, DynamoDB, API Gateway, and S3 with finesse. Meet Clara, an enterprising software developer eager to explore this paradigm shift. Clara was no stranger to innovation, and she stood on the precipice of transformation. Her goal, to establish a system that consolidated real-time analytics for a burgeoning e-commerce platform. As Clara embarked on her quest, she began with AWS Lambda, the cornerstone of her application. Lambda functions provided her with the ability to run code without provisioning or managing servers. Her code responded to events automatically, triggering data processing every time a sale occurred. DynamoDB became her trusted ally for managing the influx of data. This key value and document database effortlessly handled dynamic entries, ensuring reliability and speed. Clara marveled at its seamless integration with Lambda, a symbiotic relationship that required mere whispers of configuration. To bridge her architecture with the outside world, Clara harnessed API Gateway. It served as the robust communicator, allowing her site to interact with various clients, all through a HTTP interface that scaled during traffic peaks without a hitch. Finally, Clara utilized S3 for storage solutions. This scalable storage service became the vault for raw data and backup analytics, providing secure access and versioning. In mere weeks, Clara transformed a concept into a dynamic application. She relished in the benefits, watching as her serverless application efficiently handled complex functions with minimal overhead. Her journey highlighted a new way forward for developers. The AWS Serverless application offered them tools to focus on code and creativity, rather than infrastructure management. Clara's story echoed across the corridors of technology, illustrating how serverless architecture was not just a method, it was a revolution.